Today we will look at the adjective clauses. Adjective clauses are also known as relative clauses because they begin with relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are who, which, whom, whose. What are adjective clauses? They are dependent clauses which begin with relative pronouns and give answer to question which. They function as an adjective. What is the function of the adjectives? The function of the adjectives is to describe the nouns, and they come before the nouns they describe. Adjective clauses also describe the nouns, but they follow them. I will explain what I have said so far in a simpler way for your better understanding. Adjectives are the words. They describe the nouns and come before them. Adjective clauses also describe the nouns, but they come after them. Now, first, let us describe the nouns with adjectives. Fast car, large house, tall man, experienced worker. In these examples, fast, large, tall, and experienced are adjectives, and they describe the nouns car, house, man, worker, and they come before them. Now, let us do the same description with adjective clauses and see the difference between the adjective and adjective clauses. The car, which is fast, the house, which is large, the man, who is tall, the worker, who is experienced. The above examples show us that adjectives are the words, but adjective clauses are sentences because they have a subject and a word. But adjective clauses have no complete meaning. When we look at them, we cannot understand what they mean. We cannot understand their meaning. There is something missing in their meaning. They only have complete meaning when we join them with main clause. Let us show this on an example. The man who is tall is an adjective clause. It has no meaning, no complete meaning. But when we join it with a main clause, it will have a meaning. Let us say main clause is I know a man. Now, and we join them together. I know a man who is tall. This sentence has a complete meaning now, and it is called complex sentence. We examine the adjective clauses in three categories: who, which, whom, which, whose. Now, let us look at these categories. Who, which. In this category, who is used for the people, and which is used for the things. They are replace the subject of the describing clause. Here are some examples. I saw a girl. The girl was beautiful. In this example, there are two sentences. I saw a girl is main clause. The girl was beautiful is describing clause because it describes the girl in the main clause. So we put the who in place of the girl and we will join it with the main clause. The whole sentence will be I saw a girl who was beautiful. The second example is this is a book. The book is about Australia. This is a book is main clause. The book is about Australia is describing clause because it describes the book in the main clause. Because the book is a thing, in place of book we are going to put which and connect it to the main clause. This is a book which is about Australia. Nouns described can be the subject or the object of the main clause. In either ways, adjective clauses follow them. In this category, there are three formulas we use. The first formula is main clause plus auxiliary verb plus noun, adjective, or place adverb. This formula is used to make the adjective clauses by using verb to be and have has. He wears a jacket which is expensive. In this example, expensive is an adjective. She writes to her friend who is in London. In this example, in London is a place adverb. We have a friend who is a tailor. In this example, tailor is noun. The last example in this category is we know a man who has a luxury car. In this example, has is used as an auxiliary verb. The second formula used in this category is main clause plus who or which plus main verb plus rest of the sentence. This formula is used when we make adjective clauses by using simple present and past tense. The following examples will show that she loves the friend who works in the hospital. This sentence is made by simple present tense. We read a novel which sold a lot. In this example, adjective clause is made by using simple past tense. Third formula in this category is main clause plus who, which, plus auxiliary verb plus main verb. This formula is used when making sentences in other tenses and sentence patterns. We accept a guest who will come tomorrow. They understand the people who can speak French. This is the end of the session.